real quick.
Oh, I shit on Buck Nasty. Oh my god.
I didn't know that guy pushed me that much either.
Too.
Yeah, I think there was 3.
There's 3. I saw the dude by you for a brief sec, but he's hiding now.
I'm running in naked, like, maybe he'll shoot at me and then you can kill him.
Oh, wait, sniped that from far?
No! Wasn't part of the plan.
Oh, I shit on him, bro.
You killed Wolf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless I'm going to step on that too. Oh, we just got double kill right now.
Yes.
What?
Now that we own it.
I see
now
one. Hold on.
everyone.
Killed Paulino. Oh my god. Dude, oh, I see him again. Oh, I see him again.
Let me see if I can get a shot.
I killed Max Payne? Fuck, I think I got... After shooting 6 rounds. Dude!
This game is so trash.
Like, I was in...
So that's why it wasn't hitting, because you weren't actually there.
I see him. There you go, now I killed him, he's dead. Oh my god, search it. Oh, yo, stop! You're gonna die, get off the car! Yo, get off the car! You're gonna die, you're gonna die! Go.
Where's it coming?
Where y'all at?
See him? He's dead? Oh my god. Devour.
There's a guy to the
Oh,
road.
yo,
to
get
the-
out!
to the road.
We're gonna die! Whoa!
Where?
Get
There's
out, he's
multiple.
sniping.
He's dead.
He's
He's dead.
sniping.
He's dead.
No, there's another one.
Oh. I had no audio. I have no audio.
There's, I think there's another one towards the where I'm going. Yeah, Pepito. He's here
seen him.
somewhere.
I thought he was a bush.
Pepito's here somewhere.
I see him.
Where?
He got lucky. I got stuck.
Hold on, I just moved.
Where, bro?
He's over here by me, right in front of me, right in front of me.
Okay.
What the fuck? He was just here.
I see him. I'm dead. What? There's 2 more people. There was someone
On me.
behind I think.
He's dead. They're all dead.
Shooting them at that stone face. What?
It was good back there?
Not me.
Streamer game active.
Hold on.
What bitch?
Hold on. He's dead. Oh, baby. East again? Got an echo. Hold on. I see someone. I just saw someone.
I'm on the rock. Shooting at me.
Paya Firulet dead.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I see one. Oh, that's nice, bro. Oh my god.
That might be me. I'm out here looking for him. Look. Come on, jump.
Yep. Oh, dude, you guys can see this clip, bro. Let's see right into the bathroom.
Shit, I think there's someone on top over there.
He's dead. I don't buzz. You got this gear in here. Someone else pushing me?
Where?
Pushing me. Traitor with Buffalini. Kill Cloudburst. Found his bed. Bro, I meleeed Robert Jones. Holy shit. I see one. Step, I'm dead.
Their beds are up there.
There's one in the back right corner.
I got the one in the back left corner.
There's one in the back right.
I didn't see that one. Hold
I just
on. See
heard
him?
someone.
Robert John's dead.
Nice. Go push in there. That's where the.
I mean, it's not as good as the blue one.
But I like this one because it's high up. And if somebody runs down underneath, they won't hear us.
She. One down. Another one down. Another one down. Doors open. Someone's open. What? One lockdown this door. One lockdown on this door. I think 2 locks down? Yeah, 2 locks down. 3 locks down.